Hey guys, it's me again, Marvin. So, yesterday may nag-order sa atin and ito yung order niya. Ayan. Isang slim long wallet in champagne variant. So, ayun. Samahan niyo ako. Mag-stamp tayo today. And dahil personalize yung in-order sa atin. Alright? So, let's go! So, nastampa na natin siya ng ating maker's mark. And dito sa likod ng wallet, ilalagay yung name ng ating client. Okay, so ang name na isa-stamp natin sa wallet is Valerie. So, piliin lang natin yung letters. So, letter V. So, ito yung letters. Not sure if kita siya. And now, let's put it sa letter holder natin. Yan. Double check lang natin yung alignment and yung letters kung tama. So, na-preheat ko na yung hot stamp machine natin. Next, i-ready na natin yung mga foil na gagamitin. So, this one is the rose gold foil that we will use. So, cut lang tayo transparent na foil. Nakalibrate ko na yung ating base plate, pati yung kanyang bump jig. Let's make sure na centered ang ating wallet. I-clip natin siya. Let's slide it in. Since we're using a pebble textured leather, kailangan natin siyang i-stamp without foil first para maganda yung impression ng letters. Rose gold na foil. Itong ating clear na foil to seal yan and protect yung rose gold na foil natin. So that's all for today. To my friend who ordered this long slim wallet in champagne variant, thank you so much. Nakita ko lang for the last time yung stamp natin. So ito yung maker's mark. Ito yung name stamp niya. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!